How do you pronounce the TH sound in difficult sentences? Let's take a look. Hello everyone, it's Victor with Victory ESL, the channel that's all about English. Don't just learn it, but use it. And if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now in this advanced pronunciation workshop, we're going to be looking at how to pronounce the TH sound in difficult sentences. And let me give you one of the hardest sentences to say with TH. Ready? Here it is. This is the. Those three words are actually very, very difficult for advanced learners of English, okay? So let me break it down for you. So it's this is the, okay? Let me give you a context. We'll say, this is the best restaurant. This is the best restaurant. You're talking in conversation with someone, and what happens is there are two things that people usually do wrong. They either just do TH for everything, like this is the best restaurant, like that, or they might say this is the best restaurant. This is the best restaurant. So they either put TH on everything so that they're all trying to be correct, in fact they're not, or they voice the S and make it everything into a Z. So this is best restaurant. And that's the big problem, you see. And so let me slow it down for you and help you, okay? So this is how you do it. So it's this is the. Remember the voice TH? You gotta stick your tongue out of your mouth, bite down gently, blow the air, and make sure it's voiced. It's vibrating. So this is also its voice TH. So this. This is, and is actually a Z sound. So it's this is, okay, this is the best restaurant. The problem with these three words is that you have this, which ends in an S, which is voiceless, and then you have to go back into a voice sound. So it's voiced, this. So it's from voiced to voiceless. So this, and then it goes is, back to voiced. The, okay, and then best restaurant. This is the best restaurant. Try that. This is the best restaurant. Now you can say this is the for many things. I'm just giving you one example, okay? Let's do another example. These, let's do this one. These are the top companies. These are the top companies. These are the. These are the. So you don't want to say these, but these, the Z, okay? These, and the TH is voice, so it's these. These are the top companies. All right, next one. Those are the. Those are the. Those are the earrings I wanted. Maybe you want to buy some earrings. Those are the earrings I wanted. Those are the earrings I wanted. Those are the. Those are the. Next one. They are the. They are the best in the world. So maybe there's a company, maybe they deliver something, they're the best in the world. So you say they, that company, they are the best in the world. They are the best in the world. They. So it's voiced. They. They are the best in the world. All right? So I hope that helps. I know that first one, this is the, is a killer for lots of you who are advanced speakers of English. But I'm telling you, if you practice that, you slow it down. So this is the, slow it down like that. And then starting to go a bit faster. So this is the, and you keep building that up and you'll be fine. You'll be able to get it without saying the or this is okay? So keep practicing that. It will definitely help you reduce your accent so you sound more like a native speaker and more North American. Alright, now I want to hear from you. Has this video helped you? Leave a comment in the comments section below. Did you like this video? Please click the like button down below. And if you want to see other videos to help you use your English more, you can see them right over here. And again, my name is Victor with Victory ESL, English for Adults. The channel that's all about English. Don't just learn it, use it. See you in the next video.